ஹாய் ஹலோ யூடியூப் வியூஸ் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இது நம்ம சேனல் மேக்ரான் கேக்ரான். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம சிவில் இன்ஜினியரிங்கில் இருக்க ஒரு 50 கொஷின்ஸ் சர்வே கொஷின் மட்டும் பார்ப்போம். 3 பாயிண்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் கேன் பி சால்வ் பை ஆல் ஆஃப் த போர்ட், அதாவது ட்ரேசிங் பேப்பர் மெத்தட், லெமன்ஸ் மெத்தட் அண்ட் error and trial method. The NumPy level is set up with the eyepiece vertically over a peg. The height from the peg to the center of eyepiece is 1.540 meter and the reading peg வந்து 0.705 meter. The J set over the height of the eyepiece is the peg is 1.49 meter and the reading on its 2.195 meter. The difference in the level between and the ears is 0.770 meter. In this case, curve the ratio of the angle between the tangent at the point of polar ray and the straight, and the angle between the polar ray and the straight is 3/2. Here is a conventional sign of IDIAC. When set up 25 meter from peg A and 50 meter from peg B, reads 2.874 and the staff held on A and 3.462 on the staff held on B, keeping bubble at its center while reading. If the reduced level and A and B and 283.665 and 284.295 meter respectively, the collimination error per 100 meter is option D 0.60 meter. Traffic survey deals with the mapping of large water bodies. Rule is applied to a closed traverse for the adjustment of closing error. Angles to a given pivot station observed from the number of traverse stations when plotted. The lines to the pivot station intersect a common point. Angle and linear measurements are also plotting to the transverse are correct. Pick up the correct statement. All of the above answer. The recent angle between the true meridian and the magnetic meridian at the place is called magnetic declination. The imaginary line which passes through the points at which the magnetic declinations are equal or given time are called isochronic lines. The isochronic lines, though places at which the declination is 0 are metachronic lines. Straight, parallel and widely spaced contour represents an inclined plane surface. The image of an object formed by the objective must lie in the plane of crosses. For a tachometric, the additive and multiplicative constants are respectively 0 and 100. Distance obtained by a erroneous chain is erroneous chain length divided by correct chain length into observed distance. Imaginary line lying throughout and surface of the earth and preserving constant inclinations of the horizon is called contour gradient. Constant vertical distance between two adjacent contours is called contour interval. 30 meter chain diverges through a perpendicular distance of d and is correct alignment. The error in length d squared divided by 60 meter. If a bubble tube can be increased by increasing the diameter of the tube. Steel tape of length 30 meter and cross section 15 into 1 mm and was standardized 25 degrees Celsius at a 30 kg pull. While measuring a base line at the same temperature, pull applied was 40 kg. If the modulus of elasticity of steel tape is 2.2 into 10 to the power 6 kg per centimeter square, the correction to be applied is minus 0.000909 meter. Correct statement. All of the above. It is difficult to eliminate an error completely at first trial. Instability of the instrument makes it almost impossible to adjust it satisfactorily. Adjustment screws must be left bearing firmly but should never be focused. Properties of autogeneous curve for automobiles are given by Bernoulli's lemon skate. In surveying, field work is limited to linear measurements only. The difference of levels between the two stations A and B is determined. For the best results, the instrument station should be equidistant from A and B. Pick up the correct statement. Option D is the correct answer. An observation or the resulting reading with the level on the leveling stuff is called a sight. A back sight is the first sight taken after setting up the instrument in any position. The first sight on each change point is a foresight. Intersection of a curve is the angle between the back tangent and forward tangent. The perimeter D is the closing error in the departure. The correction for the departure of a traverse side of length according to the Bowditch rule is D into 1 by L. Pick up the correct statement. Contour interval on any map is kept constant. In a tachometric observation, vertical staff holding is generally preferred to the normal staffing due to minimum effect of careless holding on the result. Circle bearing of a line is preferred to the quadrantal bearing merely because bearing is completely specified by an angle. It is more difficult to obtain a good result while measuring horizontal distance by stepping uphill. Pick up the correct statement. Option D is the correct answer. The apparent error on the reversal is twice the actual error. Correction may be made equal to half the observed discrepancy. The good results may be obtained from the defective instrument by reversing and taking the lien of two erroneous results. Following methods of plane table surveying is used to locate the positions of an inaccessible point. Intersection. Imaginary line passing through the points having the equal magnetic declination is termed as isogon. Which of the following statement is correct? Option D is the correct answer. When the axis of rotations of the graduated circle and the verniers are not coincident, the instrument possesses eccentricity. The mean of the readings of the two vernier gives correct reading free from the eccentricity. One vernier may be used if the readings of the two vernier differ by a constant. Geodetic surveys higher accuracy is achieved if curvature of the Earth's surface is taken into account. The lines AB and BC are 146 degree 30 minutes and 68 degree 30 minutes. The included angle ABC is 102 degree. The transit rule of the adjusting the consecutive coordinates of the traverse is used where angular measurements are more accurate than linear measurements. Correct statement. Option D is the correct answer. Line of sight while observing back sight and foresight lie in the same horizontal plane. The staff readings are measurements made vertically downwards from the horizontal plane. The horizontal plane with reference to which the staff readings are taken coincide with the level surface through the telescopic axis. Of resections involves the following steps. 4 orientations of the plane table. Drawing lines back to the 3 control points. 3 lines form a triangle of error. Select a point in the triangle of error such that each ray is equally rotated either clockwise or anti-clockwise. The points obtained by 3 rays are the current location. Difference in elevations between the 2 points and the level must be set up at an exact midpoint of A and B. Focal length of the object glass is 25 cm and the distance from the object glass to the turning axis is 15 cm. The additive constant is 0.4. Final variations of the magnetic declination is less at the equator than the nearer the poles. Reflection in this angle is obtained by multiplying the length of the chord by degree of the curve. A double line river contours are stopped at the edge of the river. Surveying in which both horizontal and vertical positions of a point are determined by making instrumental observation is known as tachyometry, telemetry. Action correction partially eliminates curvature correction. The correct statement. Option D is the correct answer. If the earth magnetic field, a magnetic needle rests in the magnetic meridian. The angle between the true meridian and magnetic meridian is called magnetic variation. One end of the magnetic needle supported at its center of gravity tends to dip down towards the nearer magnetic pole of the earth. Table is not horizontal in the direction that the right angles to the allied. The line of sight parallel to the 5 edge only for horizontal sights. The conventional sign shows in below figure represents bridge carrying road below railway. In optical reading instruments, the vertical circle is usually contours from 0 degree to 359 degree. The reading increases with the telescope is elevated in the face left position. The reading decreases when the telescope is elevated in the face right position. Civil engineering பற்றி இன்னும் அதிகமான வீடியோ நம்ம சேனலில் வந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப், click the bell button and share. Thank you.